Last class we had discussed how to find out the mean, mode, median, half, more than type, less than type, equal and above type. In this class we will discuss how to find out the missing frequency if the mean is given 50, class interval is given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100 is given. Frequency is given 17, F1, 32, 24, 90. Now we have to find out F1 value equal to how much. Here given find the missing frequency if mean is 50. So F1 value you have to find out. So you can find out the mean by direct method or assuming method or step deviation method. So class interval is given 0 to 10, 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequencies are given 17, F1, 32, 24, 90. You have to find out the F1. First you have to add sigma F equal to 17 plus 32 plus 24 plus 19. 17 plus 32 plus 24 plus 19. Add means you will get 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, carry 2. Next one is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Total is 92, 92 plus this F1. Sigma F is 92 plus F1. Next you have to find out the X. X means plasma. Formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 20, 20 divided by 2 means you will get 10. Next one 20 plus 40, 60, 60 by 2 means 30. Next 40 plus 60, 100, 100 divided by 2 means you will get 50. Here given 60 plus 80, total is 140, 140 by 2 means you will get 70. Next 80 plus 100, 180 divided by 2 means you will get 90. 90. Next step you have to find out Fx. Direct method you have to find out the Fx. F into X. F into X. 70 times 170. F1 into 30. You can write 30 F1. 32 into 5. 32 5 is 5 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 3 is 3 5 is 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. This one 0 1600. Next one is 24 into 70. 7. 24 into 70 means you get 0 0 into 7 4 is 28. Carry 2. 7 2 is 14 plus 2 16. Add means you get 1680. 1680. Next one is 19 is 171. This one is 0. Next you have to add sigma F. Sigma F equal to addition 170 plus 1600 plus 1680 plus 1710. Addition 0. Total is 8 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1. Next one is 7. Or you can add like this 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12, 19, 20, 21. Carry 2. So addition is 2 plus 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 6, 0. Sum of sigma Fx is 5, 1, 6, 0 plus this 30 F keep as it is. 30 F1 as it is. First one we have to write the class interval as it is. F is given 17, F1 32, 24, 19. Next you have to find out the class mark, that is x. X is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 means we will get x. So 0 plus 20, 20 divided by 2 means 10. 60 by 2 30, 100 by 2 50, 140 divided by 2 70, 180 divided by 2 90. Next you have to multiply the fx. So you have to finding the mean by direct method. F into x, 70 times 170, f1 into 30, 30 f1, 32 into e, 50, 1600, 24 into 70, 1680, 19 times 171, that one 0 keep as it is. Next you have to add the sigma fx, sorry, this one is sigma fx 15160 plus 30 f1. Next we have to use the formula for mean by direct method is mean equal to or x bar equal to, formula is sigma fx divided by sigma f. Mean is given, if mean is 50, mean is given 50 equal to sigma fx is 5160 plus 30 f1 divided by sigma f. Sigma f is 92 plus f1. Sigma f is 92 plus f1. So here nothing means 1. Cross multiplication 50 into 92 plus f1 equal to 1 into 516 plus 30 f1, 30 f1. 5160 plus 30 f1 keep as it is, because 1 into this multiply means we will get the same number. Next you have to multiply 50 into 92. 5 to the 10, carry 1, 5 9 is 45, 46. This was 0 keep as it is. Plus 50 into f1, 50 f1. Next one is 5160 plus 30 f1. Next step you have to make the like term one side and like terms one, right? Like term one side you have to keep as it is. So next step is number 4600 minus number is 51600. Sorry, 5160 equal to 30f1 plus 50f1 means it will become minus 50f1. Next you have to minus 4600 minus 5160. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. So you can take carry. So 11 minus 6 is 5, 0. Greater is 5160. That's why I have to keep here minus. Next one is 30f1 minus 20f1. So we get minus 20f1. So minus get cancelled. Equal to 5 6 into which become divided by 20 equal to remainder is f1. Next one is 0 get cancelled. Divide 5 6 divided by 2 equal to f1. So 2 1 the 2 2 the 4, remainder is 1. 2 8 the 26. 2 8 the 67. So f1 equal to 20. f1 equal to 20. So let us see how to find out the missing frequency in mean. First one, once again I am repeating here. Find the missing frequency if mean is given 50, class interval is given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency is given 17, f1, 30 to 24, 90. First you have to find out the x. Mean is given means you have to require the x column or class mark. Class mark is the formula lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 20 divided by 2 means we will get 20 plus 0 means 20 divided by 2 means 10. 40 plus 20, 60 by 2 means 30. 60 plus 40, 100 by 2 means 50. 80 plus 60, 140 divided by 2 70. 80 plus 100, 180 divided by 2 means 90. Next you have to find out the fx. F into x, 17 times the 170. F1 into 30, 30 F1, 32 into 50, 1600, 24 into 17, 1680, 99 is 1710. Next you have to add this sigma fx. Sigma fx equal to, first you have to add the numbers 170, 1600, 1680, 1710. Add means you will get 5160 plus this one 30 F1 keep as it is. Next you have to add the sigma f. Suppose you have to add the number 17 plus 32 plus 24 plus 19 means you will get 92 plus F1 keep as it is. Next you have to use the formula mean equal to or x bar equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. This is the formula to find the mean by direct method. Mean is already given 50 equal to sigma fx you got 5160 plus 30 f1 divided by sigma f is 92 plus f1. Next you have to cross multiply means 50 into 92 plus f1 equal to 1 into 5160 plus 30 f1. 50 into 92 will get 4600 plus 50 into f1 50 f1 equal to 5160 plus 30 f1 as it is. Next you have to make like term one side. 4600 plus 5160 means it become minus 4600 keep as it is plus 5160 means it become minus 5160 equal to plus 30 f1 as it is plus 50 f1 means it become minus 50 f1. Suppose greater minus smaller 5160 minus 4600 means you will get 560 equal to 50 minus 30 means minus 20 minus if you get cancel. So 560 into means we can divide 0 get cancel 56 divided by 2 means we will get the 22. So this is the F4 equal to 22. Next class we will discuss how to find out the missing frequency or double missing frequency. Thank you.